Okay, there's a fuck ton of lightning. It's pouring and now there's hail. I was just on the radar. It looks like there wasn't any rotation, but it might be intensifying into a supercell. Like, look at that. It's like penny size. Slowing down. Still a shit ton of lightning though. Huh? Dumbass. Dude, I was just on the radar with Jonathan because we're both storm nerds. This is crazy. Uh-oh. It's getting bigger. And there's more. Dude, it's... Damn! Come outside. What?
I hear sound in the attic.
What?
Can we check in the attic to make sure nothing broke?
Archer, nothing's breaking in the attic.
I hear...
Archer, nothing's breaking. It's them breaking on the ceiling. Or not the ceiling, the roof. It's okay. It's okay, Archer. It's just ice. It's just ice.
Really hard ice.
Archer, ice... No. It can't even crack the windshields. It's fine. Go downstairs if you're so scared. Damn, you're a baby. I think it stopped hailing. Did it stop hailing?
Hey, I have both of you on the phone. Nothing's there.
Huh?
Boy.
It doesn't look that bad. Some lightning. Is Archer gone?
Can you turn down the front road and get those?
I did see a couple quarter-sized hails, like stones, over there.
To go towards the park.
It did just pass fully over us. I just checked. We're past the most intense part.
Yeah. I know. He's trying to run home with that, and hail and lightning and...
Actually, let me see. That was decent hail. Archer's probably losing his shit right now. Well, I mean, there's a little bit on the rotation. I'm not sure what the windshield is looking like. Not a lot. Actually, god damn. Look at that. The size of that thing. It might be tornadic. Or, well, tornado producing. 1 inch. Yeah, that's about right. 1 inch hail. It looks like it might be hooking either down here, like over here, or right here. This could be bad. Some rotation. Yo, Jonathan. Not the same storm, obviously. But, I don't think it was a hail cloud. It was pretty much just a shit ton of lightning. And, it's gonna be a lot of lightning and a lot of rain. Not as much as the last storm, obviously. That one developed into a supercell and dropped a tornado north of Troy Township. So I didn't check the rotation on this storm because this one's literally just forming right on top of us, but there is one southwest of where we are right now with a lot of lightning, and it's, holy shit, that was close. I'm gonna zoom out. It was, the one southwest of us isn't as severe as the one that, the supercell that just went over us, but there's more lightning, which is gonna suck for Bella, because apparently she is scared of lightning. But get up and get a little closer for the rain died down a little bit, but I'm gonna pause this, go inside, check rotation, and I will wait. And if I hear any hail, I'll take it back. I'll come back out. But if there's no hail, I'll probably start recording whenever the next storm hits us. Well, yeah. So no, it doesn't look like there's any rotation. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And holy shit. The storm, it's literally south of us, just south of us. And it's gonna, the top of the storm is gonna hit us. It's not gonna be peak intensity because we're not gonna be in the middle of it, but the lightning is on path to come right over us. That sounded a bit weird. Pause. The lightning's on track to hit us with peak intensity. That's how you want to put it. I checked rotation. There was no rotation, no overall rotation. Velocity, at least storm relative velocity. We're on the lower end. However, it's hitting us right now. I didn't see any hail clouds. However, there was a hail warning along with the severe thunderstorm warning. So there could be hail. It looked like the peak size of the hail was like 1.5 inches, which isn't as bad as that supercell that just hit us like an hour or two ago. But it is coming on top of us right now. And it sounds like the lightning is coming from over there, which is probably accurate. This is south of us, that way. That is southeast. That's probably where that's where the peak of the storm is, over there. But we are going to get most of the lightning. What else? I already went over rotation, velocity. God damn, it's getting windy though. There were, I think, the peak wind gusts just west of us were like 60 miles an hour. So it's probably gonna get very windy. If you can't see already. Oh wait, you can't. Oops. But it's already really windy. I had to move seats. Lightning is coming from this, like right in front of us over here. The actual middle of the storm is over here. Wind is coming from that way, like over there. If there is any hail, it would probably be coming from like that way, kind of, because with the wind and the direction the storm is going, and the direction the hail cloud is moving, it's probably gonna be a mix between the wind and the storm. This might be peak intensity for where we're at. Actually, the wind is shifting. Yeet. And I got state testing tomorrow. Wind shifted again. I'm gonna go check reflectivity on the radar, and then I'll come back out. Okay, I'm back. I just checked the radar. Pretty much that was it. The wind is going to be shifting and getting stronger a little bit, just because of the squall line that's about ahead of us. This is what we were getting earlier, was peak intensity, because right now we're like at the end of the storm, at least this storm, because there's a giant squall line, like a giant storm riding the squall line, and it is headed literally for us. Pretty much all of Cuyahoga is gonna get hit. I'm not sure about the intensity. Ooh, I really wish I got that. That was so cool. What is that? Yeah, I'm gonna zoom out. But I'm not sure of the intensity of the storm that's right on the squall line, but I will look at that after I go in. Also, I'm gonna delete a couple of videos so I can record for longer, because I am coming up at the end of my recording time. But if anything intensifies before I go to sleep, because I got freaking state testing tomorrow, I'll see if I can come out and record it, unless it is too dark. It shouldn't be, but a couple of the storms that are going to hit us, at least the storms with potential, like tornadic potential, are going to be nocturnal, which sucks. But okay, I lied. We're down here. This is the storm that was just over us. Here's the lightning. But this right here is the storm that was riding the squall line. It started like over here. It's coming down like this. But it shifted, and now it's going further north. So that's not going to hit us, but there is one right here in Grafton. About to hit. Let's see. Rotation. Here's not much. There's still a severe thunderstorm warning, which is weird. Where is it? This is what hit us earlier. And I think it did produce a tornado. Like, over here. Oops. Like, over here in Troy Township. But I'm gonna go delete some videos for some storage. And if this hits before I go to sleep, I'll record it. Okay, I'm back. Finally. I was watching the radar, and pretty much the storm's done. There's no more storms. At least not on track for where I'm at. There's still a little bit of lightning, obviously. But the storm running the squall line shifted north of us, and that storm that hit us goes southwest. Pretty much we only hit the top of it. There was obviously a lot of lightning, but pretty much right now it's, well, done. I'm gonna check the weather for this weekend, because apparently it's supposed to get bad. Obviously not this bad, but I'll check everything. But yeah, other than that, everything's done. There is a storm forming southwest of us again, and with the wind, where the wind's going, it looks like it shouldn't hit us, but if it expands and then if the wind shifts further south, well, more south, then it will hit us, but I'm not sure if that's going to happen. And even still, if it does hit us and it didn't develop, then it won't be that bad. So pretty much everything's done, I guess. If anything does happen later on through the week, or possibly the weekend, I might record it, but that just depends on how bad it is. So, well, I guess I'm gonna go now. And I'm back again. Okay. Pretty much, this is the storm I was talking about. The one that was forming that could hit us. Right here, I'm over here. But with the wind, it looks like it'll go probably this way, so it'll probably be just north of us. But I'm not sure, because this is also that way. Okay. It is expanding, but it doesn't look like it's it doesn't look like it's intensifying. So let me check rotation. See if there's rotation. Okay. So was over here. There's not much rotation. Doesn't look like there's any actual rotation though. Okay. It might, but it'll probably be around 8 or 9 if it does hit. So if I can, I'll record it. But other than that, yeah, I'm gone this time.